Struggling to make slides, mind maps, or infographics that actually impress? Hours get wasted trying to figure out layouts and designs, and it feels impossible to look professional. What if you could master all three in just one video? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning slides, mind maps, and infographics like a pro, effortlessly. Without further delay, let's dive in. Let's go to Google and search for Google Notebook LM, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Google Notebook LM, your research and thinking partner, grounded in the information you trust and built with the latest Gemini models. Here you can upload various sources, such as PDF files, website links, and YouTube video links. You can also upload audio files, connect Google Documents, and more. Notebook LM gives you instant insights with all your sources organized in one place. The Sources feature is not just about answers. It's a core functionality that shows you exactly where Notebook LM fetches its information from, ensuring transparency and accuracy. The Listen and Learn on the Go feature allows you to upload audio and transform it into engaging deep dive discussions with just one click. What makes Notebook LM truly powerful is its versatility. You can upload lecture recordings, text chapters, and research papers, then ask questions tailored to your specific needs. You can organize your thinking by uploading source material and letting Notebook LM create polished presentations. It can also spark new ideas when you upload brainstorming notes, marketing research, or competitor analysis. Now go to the top of the page and click on Try Notebook LM. From here, you can see your previous projects where you've used Notebook LM for different purposes. However, in this video, we'll focus specifically on how to generate free presentations using Google Notebook LM. Click on Create New. From this interface, you can create audio overviews, import content from websites, search for new resources, use web and drive connections, and leverage Notebook LM for both fast research and deep research. These are the main and most important features of Google Notebook LM. You can drop your files here, upload PDF documents, paste links from any website or YouTube video, upload documents directly from Google Drive, or simply copy and paste text to generate a presentation completely free. Now click on Upload to select a file from your computer. Choose your file and click Open. Once your file uploads successfully, you'll see your resources listed on the left side of the canvas. In the center, you can see an overview of your PDF file. At the bottom, you'll find suggested questions related to your PDF, or you can type a custom question according to your needs. In the prompt bar, I'll type, "Write the key points of this PDF file," and press Enter. It takes a few seconds to extract the important points from your PDF. Once the search is complete, you can see all the key points from your PDF file displayed clearly. With the help of this advanced free AI tool, we can extract useful information effortlessly. On the right side of the canvas, you'll notice several generation options. Using your uploaded source, you can generate an audio overview, a briefing document, a mind map, a study guide, a timeline, flashcards, MCQs, an FAQ section, and most importantly for our purpose, slides for free. Now to generate a presentation, simply click on Slides. It takes a few seconds to create a presentation based on your PDF file, so be patient. Once your presentation is ready, click on the source to view it. As you can see, our presentation is complete, and we created it entirely for free using Google Notebook LM. Let's expand the viewer to see our presentation in full screen. Everything is perfectly formatted. Our presentation is attractive, professional, and easy to understand. You'll notice different images have been incorporated throughout the slides, making the presentation more visually appealing and accessible for any audience. You can also share your presentation with friends or colleagues. To save it locally, click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's open the presentation we created using Google Notebook LM. Amazing! We've created a professional presentation from a PDF file completely free. This is truly a game-changing tool. You can easily generate presentations tailored to your specific needs without spending a single penny. So that's how you can use Google Notebook LM to generate professional presentations completely free. Now let's generate some amazing infographics. Now I want to upload a PDF file. For that purpose, click on Choose File, Then select a PDF file from your system and click on Open. It takes a few seconds to upload our file, so be patient. Once our file is uploaded successfully, we can see at the center of the canvas the details about our PDF file. At the right side of the canvas, we can see options like we can generate audio with the PDF file, we can generate a video, we can generate a mind map, we can generate a report, we can generate flashcards, we can generate a quiz, we can generate infographics, and we can also generate slides. In this video, we will go through generating infographics. Now click on Infographics. After that, NotebookLM will take a few seconds to generate infographics about our PDF file. Once the infographics are ready, let's open and see. Wow, amazing! Here we can see infographics about AI in the classroom, benefits and barriers. We can see each and everything is in an understandable form. At the left side of the canvas, we can see the advantages of AI, such as enhanced learning, so students can easily use the technology and complete their work easily. With the graphical presentation, we can see and understand easily. At the right side of the canvas, we can see the challenges and barriers. With the help of this amazing AI tool, we can generate infographics and it's easy to understand. We can also share our infographics with our friends. Now click on Download. From here, we can download our infographics for free. Once our download is complete, let's open and see. Wow, amazing! We can generate these types of high-quality infographics for free. Now let's generate some amazing mind map.
Now let's start with a PDF. Click on Choose File, select your PDF, and then click Open. Once the file uploads successfully, you'll see the content and details in the center of the screen. On the left side, you'll see your sources, and you can add more sources anytime. And on the right side, you'll find different tools and outputs, like audio overview, mind map, report, flashcards, quiz, infographics, and even presentations. In my previous video, we created infographics, but in this video, we're focusing on how to create a mind map.
So for that, click on Mind Map. It may take a few seconds, so just be patient. Once it's ready, open the mind map, and now you'll see a complete mind map generated from the PDF. For example, in my case, it created a mind map about AI in primary and secondary education. From here, you can expand different branches to understand the topic more deeply. You can open sections like Advantages, and it will break down everything related to the benefits. Then you can expand external challenges to see what issues schools face when using AI. And you can also open areas like Teaching Practices Challenges to explore the practical problems and limitations. Once you've expanded everything you need, your mind map becomes a clean, easy to understand summary of a complex PDF without you reading every single page. And yes, you can also download the mind map. Just click Download, and once it's saved, open it, and you'll see a high-quality mind map ready to use. This is super helpful for studying, research, presentations, and quick revision. Now let's do the same thing using a YouTube link. Go back, click on YouTube, and paste your video URL. For example, you can open YouTube, copy the link of any video, paste it into NotebookLM, and then click Insert. It will take a few seconds to analyze the video. Once it's done, you'll see the video added as a source. Now again, click on Mind Map, wait a few seconds, and then open it. You'll get a complete mind map based on the video content. You can expand branches, collapse them using the arrows, and explore the key points in a structured way, so even a complex video becomes much easier to understand. And just like before, if you want to download it, simply click Download, open the file, and you'll have your mind map saved. Honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to turn PDFs and YouTube videos into organized notes in minutes. And yes, Google NotebookLM is 100% free, so you can use it to create mind maps, generate infographics, flashcards, quizzes, and more without paying anything. From today, you can easily create mind maps and understand complex documents, websites, and YouTube videos in minutes. Google NotebookLM is a true game changer for everyone. Try out this amazing AI tool and let me know your thoughts in the comments. You'll find the website link in the pinned comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on AI tools in future videos.